A dividend declared after year-end may reward shareholders, but it doesn't belong to last year's financial story. It's like ordering dessert after dinner, enjoyable, but it was not part of the original bill. When going concern is questioned, accounting stops worrying about margins and starts worrying about survival. Most events are just number, but going concern changes the very basis of accounting.
Next discussion. 2 parts. First, dividends. If we declare a dividend in February, do we record it as a liability in December?
If you promised the gold to the people, it is a debt of honor. You cannot hide the gold. You must record it.
Agreed. The algorithm predicts the cash outflow is inevitable once declared. We should accrue it in December to increase the liability ratio.
Wrong again. IAS 10 says dividends declared after the reporting period are non-adjusting. You did not have a legal obligation to pay it on December 31st. You only had the obligation once you declared it in February.
You have no honor, Sam. You hoard the gold in the past while promising it in the future.
It's not about honor. It's about legal obligation. However, there is one major exception to everything we have discussed: the going concern principle.
Going concern. The assumption that the entity will continue to operate for the foreseeable future.
Right. If the fire in the previous episode was so bad that the company can no longer survive, if we are going out of business, then it does not matter if it was non-adjusting. We tear up the whole rulebook.
If the empire falls, the laws of the tablet matter not?
Exactly. If the event after the reporting period forces us into liquidation, we adjust everything to liquidation value. We stop pretending we are a healthy company.
Alert. Doomsday Protocol initiated. If survival probability is less than 0.1%, switch valuation mode to fire sale. Logic dictates that if the ship is sinking, we do not worry about arranging the deck chairs accurately.
Finally, a rule I understand. If the barbarians are at the gate and the city is burning, we stop counting the grain and start sharpening the swords.
I mean, basically, yes. Just try not to bankrupt us, okay?
Calculating probability of Marcus bankrupting us. Calculation complete. 100%.
I will expense you, Tin Man.